Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and import fonts into CapCut Mobile. So go to a font website. I'm just going to select a font because I use this a lot. I'm just going to download this girlfriend font one. I'm just going to press download and press download again. Select downloads and select the font. Open up files. Oh, where did it go? Okay, select it, open CapCut, go to text, go to add text, go to font, and select add font, press the plus button, and select the girlfriend one, and select open, and that is it. Voila! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!